Okay, so where FM synthesis is really strong is, in my opinion, is at the bottom end. It can add a real sort of like solid weight to a bass line, because obviously the raw materials are sine waves. You've got that clean, pure tone, and you can very carefully sculpt out something which sort of retains that solid, clean, pure tone, but maybe adds just a little bit more interest. So let's look at how we can make a nice solid house music style bass sound. And this is actually one of the most simple things to do in FM8. Not a lot of work needs to be done at all to achieve this. So as always, new sound. There's a sine wave, there's the carrier. We're going to right click E to activate, and we're going to use this as a modulator. Going to dial in a little bit there, so you can see we're getting some more harmonics in the sound. I suppose in parts it looks a little bit like a square wave, but then we get this odd spike here. And I'm going to change this so the ratio is 2. So we're actually almost there straight away. So we're not doing too much. You can actually see that it almost acts as a filter. You can see as I increase the amount of modulation, the brightness increases. So it's not, I suppose, it's not a filter in the classic sense of the term. You can see how the harmonics are jumping up and down as I increase that. But that's how you used to have to do your filtering in DX7, for example. So as we discovered in the last video, what's really important when it comes to making things sound a little bit more usable, a little bit more natural, is the envelopes. So if we just go to the envelope for operator E, and rather than having that timbre there from the outset and continuing until I take my finger off the note, I'm actually going to do this to it. So you can see initially we get the bright harmonic as E modulates F, and then very quickly the modulator will die away and we're left with that beautiful clean sine wave. If we just drop, say, Live's EQ downstream from that, you see we get the bright harmonics initially, they die away, and we're left with just that pure, lovely sine wave. So it keeps your bass end really clean.